Hello, welcome to Earth Trifle, and today I just want to talk about these, these solar panels. And I want to try and explain to you how you can tell the difference between monocrystalline solar panels and polycrystalline solar panels. Now, both solar panels produce electricity, but they are a little bit different in the sense that the monocrystalline panels, the wafer, which is basically this square here, each of these squares is basically a wafer of silicone, and they're cut from what we call a bar of silicone, not a soap bar, but a bar of silicone. And the monocrystalline panels are, in the purest sense, the raw silicon wafer, whereas a polycrystalline is lots of little fragments of silicone that's been made into a bar and then sliced into a wafer. So think of it like the chipboard, the particle board of solar panels. Now, there is a way of telling the difference between the two if you're not 100% certain. One is, if you see a solar panel that has that kind of marbly look to it, it's most likely a polycrystalline. If it doesn't, it's most likely a monocrystalline solar panel. But there's another difference, and the difference might be that you cannot necessarily see that that mottled sort of pattern, because I can explain this to you here as I mumble on. These panels here are polycrystalline, although they don't have that kind of marbling effect on the actual wafers. But what they are is blue. Polycrystalline panels are generally blue, and monocrystalline panels, such as these over here, are generally black. There might be a few exceptions, but I know for a fact that these are monocrystalline panels, and I know for a fact these are polycrystalline panels. But what is the benefit of monocrystalline solar panels? There is a benefit, and that is they're more efficient. And that's because within the silicone, it has more space for the electrons to fly about and move from A to B. So they basically transfer power from the monocrystalline panel is far more efficient than the polycrystalline panel. Did Debbie McGee there, didn't I? You like it, but not a lot. So anyway, that's the difference between the polycrystallines and the monocrystalline panels, and how you can tell the difference between the two. I'm sure there's probably some other factors that I don't really know much about, but, I hope you found that of interest, and if you're most kind, click like and subscribe, and maybe the little bell icon, because then you'll get a warm, fuzzy feeling in your pocket, and that'll be me uploading another video. So anyway, thank you for watching.